Hi guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you a little bit of a fun video. So one of my most asked questions is why I don't use bentonite clay in my clay wash. Yeah, basically you guys want to know why I don't do it, and can you do it, and do I have a preference, and all that good stuff. So if you're new to my channel, I am a predominant clay hair washer. I prefer to use clay washes. However, I do have alternative wash days where I use like regular shampoo and stuff, but predominantly it's clay washes. And I do have a tutorial for my favorite clay wash recipe. It's quick, it's easy, and it's very effective, and you can check it out right there. If you are also new to the channel, be sure to hit subscribe and the bell and all that good stuff. So basically, I thought I would do an A/B testing video for you guys. Something a little bit fun, yes. But before I jump into that, I did want to tell you guys exactly why I prefer Rhassoul for my clay washes. So yeah, and then why I prefer bentonite clay for my clay treatments. So first and foremost, Rhassoul clay, aka Ghassoul, comes from the Arabic word ghasala. Ghasala means to wash, and that's exactly what I like it for. So I did make some notes. I put some notes down, and if you watch my clay wash video, then I'm basically just regurgitating some of the facts that I said about what Rhassoul does for you. So it is one of the most mineral rich clays. It's rich in iron, it's rich in it's rich in iron, silica, magnesium, aluminium, and sodium. It also has one of the highest silica compositions out of all the clays. It is 58% silica, which is amazing. And if you guys don't know, here are a few things that silica does for you. So it helps to prevent baldness, it helps to stimulate healthier hair growth, and it assures that you have beautiful shine and luster and strength in your hair. Okay, so using Rhassoul clay, here are some of the benefits for using it as a clay wash. And it's that it's very gentle to the hair and scalp. It's able to remove buildup and dirt without removing the protective sebum layer on your hair. As you know, our follicles produce sebum. The job of sebum is to not only nourish the hair and scalp, but also to protect it. I almost forgot how to say that word, but to protect it. And so yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I love it. It is also an excellent detangler. It literally helps to melt your tangles away, and you guys know it needs everything, okay? Every shampoo or wash I use needs to pass this claw finger detangling test, which it does. Now, if I'm looking for a deep detoxifying kind of rich yummy clay treatment, then I do tend to go for bentonite clay, which is perfect for that. Bentonite clay is has a high negative magnetic charge, which helps it to draw the positively charged kind of build up on your hair, okay? And that build up also includes toxins and dirt and, you know, all that rubbish that you do not want. So it's perfect for that. And that's the reason why I do that. So it's pretty much up to you guys. It is a personal thing. It's up to what you like and how you like your hair to be, and so on and so forth. But I thought it would be fun to show you how it does look on either side of my hair, and then we can compare the results at the end. Give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also do let me know below which clay you prefer. So are you a Rhassoul wash kind of, you know, gal, guy, person, or are you a bentonite wash gal, boy, person? Or are you a mixer of the both for your washes? Or are you like me and you prefer one for treatments and one for washes and yada yada yada? So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Everything's so magnifique. My mindset set the goal as I speak. I write with Pyrex, but so that my beat still yet could not find the height of my peak. So please address me when you speak. See, because I couldn't hear from up here is peak. But luckily I had my all black season Reebok jacket on, my fashion classique. So dapper that I would say a man's not hot for a week. But then I was playing this thing on repeat. So I stopped, too hot, drip too much sauce on the street as I bopped to the shops on course to the east. Then on to the lab to cook up a feast, fresh meat from the belly of that beast, my G. Why you want try come flex for me? Why you say me nothing to me? Chatting about this and that to me, hey. Stop talk all this nonsense to me. Try shade but you can't stop me. Big man things ever done properly. Why you want try come flex for me? Why you say me nothing to me? Chatting about this and that to me, hey. Stop talk all this nonsense to me. Try shade but you can't stop me. Big man things ever done prop. I had 8 gold rings like a Shabba Rex. 4 gold chains like a Shabba Rex. 1 gold tooth like a Shabba Rex. But it wasn't me, so I put it in a bag. Look, I just go get the cash, come back and rest up. If the vibe ain't right, cut ties and Dexter. Matter of fact, man might go front, smoke up with Death Star. Why man still dipping from the ticket inspector? I'm like, what is that? A line, skip that, I'm next up. I can never be a one season wonder boy, I'm not Lester. I had to teach these kids every semester. You man were too cool for school, now look at you jesters. Why you want try come flex for me?
Hey guys, so I'm back and I wanted to quickly come on here and show you. I've just rinsed my hair out. So if you remember, this is my bentonite clay side. And this is what it looks like. Look at my grey hair. So this is what it looks like. Curls popping, all that good stuff. Come close. And this is my Rhassoul clay side. And you can see it's actually not as defined as the bentonite clay side. And you can see here, I mean, there's still definition, but it's not as defined as this side. Now, to give you guys to go through the things that I was looking for in terms of spreadability and viscosity and stuff like that, even though I made both recipes exactly the same, I did find that my Rhassoul clay it stayed the consistency that I made it. So number one, the clay didn't expand as much as the bentonite clay, which got much thicker, even though both recipes were the same. And I definitely preferred the viscosity of the Rhassoul clay. The Rhassoul clay went on much nicer. It had a nicer feel as it went on. I can't explain it. And of course, you guys saw it passed my fingerty tangling test. So yay! We like that. My hair also feels very soft. It also feels soft on this side too. Not as soft as this side, but definitely in the running, and not as hard as I'd speculated that it might be. So I think, yeah, you guys can tell whichever clay you go for, they both pretty much work the same. At the end of the day, it does come down to preference. I do love the fact that the Rhassoul clay is silica rich. It's so rich in so many minerals, and I really love the fact that it's rich in silica. And I also love the fact that bentonite clay has this kind of strong magnetic power that pulls out all these toxins and really gives your hair a nice clean slate. So yeah, and actually to let you guys know, I now actually use a clay wash that is a combination of both clays. Surprise, surprise. So I do use a combination of both clays. I'm currently with Wild Seed formulating a clay wash, which I hope to bring to market by like the end of summer, God willing, which is made up of predominantly Rhassoul clay, but it also has bentonite clay and a whole heap of other Ayurvedic herbs. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful and fun. And of course, the whole point is that we educate each other, and I hope you guys have learned something about the 2 different types of clays to help you make a better informed decision when it comes to using them. And I'm gonna try and find something to do with my hair because your girl's tired. But yeah, God bless, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.